What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller, 99% Amazon, 1% eBay. We are outside of the Goodwill here today. As you can see, it is dark out. We got the overhead light on here in the luxury Lamborghini that I drive. It's currently 3 a.m. My Goodwill's open 24 hours a day. I'm just messing. It's only like 6:30. They close at 8. Today's topic is going to be a pretty interesting one. And we're going to talk about walking before you run and different aspects of a reselling business. I think this covers a lot, not just one aspect. So that's what we're going to cover after we get out of here. You guys will see my Scoutly screen during the walkthrough. I got my little R2-D2 scanner here, scan all the media, hopefully make a whole bunch of money. If you're interested in being around media sellers like myself and many others, eBay, Amazon, Bonanza, Walmart, I mean, we got people that sell on every single platform out there. Join the channel, $2.99, cheaper than a Happy Meal. Weekly coaching calls, private Discord, all of that fun stuff. I'm shutting up. This is the first time I have been thrifting at dark this year. Well, I don't know. I probably did at the beginning of the year. I don't remember that far back. But it's the first time I've thrifted in dark that I can remember. Let's go. We are wrapping up the 3 a.m. Goodwill trip here. Let me get my phone recording, and I forget what the topic was. It's been a crazy week for me, but it's turned into my topic. When you find cool stuff and you don't want to send it into Amazon to sell, it's like, damn, do I really want to send this in or not? Huge, awesome score of CDs out of this Goodwill, and a lot of it is like, it's pretty cool stuff. It's kind of like right up my alley, and I mean, it is what it is, I guess. All right. We got, I mean, I don't know who donated their collection or whose wife donated their collection. First up, we have Resident Evil movie soundtrack. Resident Evil growing up was like one of my favorite video games that I used to play. I don't get a chance to play as much video games because I play this video game of scanning stuff and making a whole bunch of money, but this was one of my favorite video games. I'm not a huge fan of the movie. The movie series kind of sucks, but just to see this out in the wild was pretty cool, and it's profitable. So like, do I keep this? Do I not keep this? So it pulls off the used buy box at $9.67. There's only one FBA at $16.85. I'm gonna price this up. I'm thinking $24.99. It'll get the sale. You see it sells all the time with a 39 sales score. This is one I was like, I want to keep this for myself. Another one we got. WWE Anthology. 3 CD set. Growing up in the Attitude Era of wrestling, I don't think there's ever been anything better on TV. The Rock, Stone Cold, Vince McMahon, The Undertaker, Kane, D-Generation X. I mean, this was like, and this has got songs from all 3 eras, right? the Federation years, Hulk Hogan, Bret Hart, the Attitude Era, you know, D-Generation X, Stone Cold, Ken Shamrock. And then it's got the new stuff right now, Brock Lesnar, Undertaker, Rey Mysterio, Chris Jericho. Like, this right here is like, whoo, baby, this is something I just need to keep in the car and just have the, you know, Attitude Era CD2 going all the time. All right, yet again, another situation here. Merchant fulfill buy, because the FBA is quite not at $7. We go over, we are actually going to FBA this, not at $17. There's only one other person. That person will sell by the time this gets checked in, another $24.99 out the door. Super cool CD. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is one of the newer animated ones. I'm not a huge fan of these. I like the old school ones where the costumes were actually costumes, no CGI. But still cool to see like Ninja Turtle stuff, like CDs out there, right? This is a reject for all you for all you rejects out there that are too lazy to look at your phone. This is actually a buy, right? New FBAs at $19.98. We priced this at $17.99, maybe $16.99. You'll make close to $8 on this. You're the only used FBA offer. It's guaranteed to sell. It is what it is. All right. Not my cup of tea, but this was a lot of people's cup of tea growing up. If you know what CD this is, or you're familiar with them, you're like, oh yeah, I know what that CD is, right? Like, this is the time of where CDs were super hot. This is Insane Clown Posse here. You see, you got their logo on the back, in the middle. I wasn't a fan of these guys, but this was like a huge cult following for many, many years, and they still have a pretty big following. Yet again, you're listening, you lose, you're a reject. Me? Not me. One merchant fulfilled at $9.98. There ain't even no other players. $29.99.
Mike, it ain't gonna sell for that. Mike, it ain't gonna sell for...
I sold 2 Jimmy Buffett CDs that used to be $5 CDs. 2 of the same ones. I posted this. I don't know if I posted it publicly on YouTube or to the group. 2 of them for $29.99 because I was the only FBA offer. Get out of here. Get out of my storage unit. If you're going to think that what I do doesn't work and that, I don't know, the money I live off of is Debs maybe I just panhandle on the corner. That's what I do 20 hours a week. You're stupid. Here we go. More wrestling action, right? Stone Cold, Dudley Boyz, Trish Stratus, Booker T, Kurt Angle, Lita, Jericho, another Austin, Rikishi, John Cena. I mean, whew, this is quality stuff here. $9. And all these CDs we paid $2 for. I already peeled the Goodwill stickers off because these got to go out today. So I just made it a point to get these stickers off ahead of time. Tons of huge old school hip hop, right? We got some MGK, Machine Gun Kelly, if you're not familiar. Diplomats, like, I mean, come on, this is the stuff people grew up on. That's just the beginning of it. Let me get some more. Hold up. Let me get some more. Wait, there's more. The Neptunes. I mean, whew. I don't even know what this is. No idea. Bolo, Steve Green. Anything Steve Green? I haven't found a non-profitable Steve Green CD yet. I got 2 of them. There's proof. Steve Green is money. Steve, why do you think his last name's Green, guys? Because all of his stuff's worth a whole lot of money. All right, let me go through a few last ones. We got some Fall Out Boy. Can't go wrong with that. I don't even know who these people are. Young Buck. That's me. I'm a young buck. I just turned 21 the other day. Killswitch Engage. Jennifer's Body from the movie. Any kind of soundtracks, right? You got to be scanning this stuff. I'm telling you all. Ooh, look at this one. Look at this one here. Jennifer's Body. Ain't nobody selling used. $29.99 out the door. It could be yours. I mean, I make it so easy for everybody to make a whole bunch of money, right? It's just the way it is. Lil Jon and the East Side Boys. I mean, college days, I used to be getting down to Lil Jon. Uncharted video game soundtracks do well. Disney classics, Fabulous. No Idea, Ride to Win. Some T.I. I mean, somebody donated like all their old school hip hop wrestling CDs. 3 a.m. I was in the Goodwill getting them all. So thank you, Motorcycle. Motorcycle says that's the end of this episode. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I didn't find any books, so I can't say stay tuned for more used book videos. I did find some DVDs, nothing too exciting, but stay tuned for some more WWE TI CD selling videos. Bye-bye.